of the morning to you. Willie and Ben back in Connecticut. It was so good last time we had to come back. So you can see here, Cedar Knob Golf Course down in Somers, Connecticut. Love that we're playing a course that you're not going to find on Golf Now today. You ready to do this?
I'm ready to win. I lost 2 matches in a row on camera, and I'm not losing today.
I love how you keep throwing that caveat in. All right, let's show you around. First hole. This is Cedar Knob. We're going to play all the way back today. It's 6,700 yards with a slope of 130. We were talking about this on the putting green. For those of you who don't know what slope is, take a scratch golfer and a 20 handicap for any course, and you're going to get an average about like what they should shoot for every course. When you take the amount of strokes in between a 20 handicap and a scratch golfer, and then you multiply by 5.381, and that is slope. Essentially, if you're in 130 territory, that's a tough course. By contrast, the US Open this weekend will be 141. But this makes this the second hardest course we've played to date.
Behind Wittenberry, right?
Behind the Pete Dye. Pete Dye is always tough. So,
that's a lot of
stroke play?
No, let's go match play again. I like match play.
All right, we'll keep a card just so you know. I think we forgot to do that last time.
I think so too.
All right, we'll do match play, but
these are the stakes, though. I want to do different stakes.
Okay.
The winner, because $20, it just keeps going back and forth. The winner.
Actually, no. You'll actually owe me twice.
It keeps going back and forth. The winner gets to pick the next course.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm good with that.
All right.
Cedar Knob. Here we go. I'm in the trap. Ben's got about 10 feet. Oh, not a good start. Not a good start. All right, Ben's up 1. Oh, it was an ugly first hole. But par 3, second, 100. What do you got? 167?
Let's talk about the importance of having a proper warm-up, I would say.
It's just me being...
Doesn't do us any favors to not go to the range beforehand today, Emily.
Yeah. I'm going to loosen up here, but 165 on the nose. Here we go. I'm going to let you all in on a little secret. I'm going to win today. Because this is a really hard golf course to score at. And par is a very good score. And that guy likes chasing birdies. He's still up 1. Very nice start to the golf course. 4, 3, 5. I always like when golf courses start out with a nice smattering of pars. How about it? An actual fairway. A little shaggy, but nice. Yeah. Where you at? Beach? Just short of the beach. Oh, you hit it, you had it.
Hey, my name's Sally. Nice to meet you.
Leave a comment, a scale of 1 to 10, how pissed you get when you leave a birdie putt short. Playing with the Larry Bird today. Tight window, as you can see. Hardest hole in the course. Yep. Par 4, 422 yards. Ben still 1 up. Here we go. All right. Ben is still 1 up. I feel great about it because it can't get much worse than the way that I'm swinging the stick right now. Check this out. 249 yard par 3. Woo!
Your average 2-shot par 3, you know what I mean? I'm going to lay up, I think.
It's actually interesting, the strategy we'll take here. But let's see what we got.
Going hybrid. Not sure if I can get there, but I think I'll look where it'll be up there. Nope. Not the swing I was looking for.
We call that the Rice Krispie, the old snap, crackle, pop. I'm going to try and hit something high, swing easy.
Oh, that's the shot. The big Bambino calling his shot here. Oh, and he is pin high.
Wow.
You got a little check on that 3-wood, huh, kid?
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
I'll take it. So as you can see, we've been having trouble with fairways. Some of the courses we've been playing lately. These are beautiful, but they are not bent grass. And to be honest with you, you can tell that they just kept them a little bit shaggy in order to avoid getting burnt out, which is okay. Certainly visually adds a lot to the course, but you're not seeing a lot of the ball even in the fairway. It's sort of hugged by a pretty healthy fairway. He is 2 up. We're on 9. All right, first 9 wrapped up. What are you, up 2?
Up 2, and I'm only 2 over, so not a bad 9 for me.
About to have an epic comeback. I'm known to do that.
He is.
I mean, it's a really nice course. I just wish I was playing better. I don't know, like, it's pretty crazy as an amateur golfer to think, you know what? I'm gonna wake up at 6 a.m. in the 48 degrees.
It was 48 degrees in Charlotte.
And then get out and swing.
No warm.
No warm up.
That's why we're amateur golf.
Pretty silly, actually. So, I've just proven to myself once again. So, you know, maybe that's something too. I don't know if you've got a pre-match, round routine you like to go through when you can't hit the range. Go ahead and drop that comment.
I listened to Beyonce on the way here, and I'd like just do shoulder rolls the whole time, get my body low.
Well, there's one. Listen to Beyonce and do shoulder rolls.
Does it not work? You know?
He's engaged. Guys, don't get too excited. This
is my move forever, though.
All right, wow, nice looking hole here, par 5 over water. Gonna get some water here on the back. We're at the par 5 10th, maybe the signature hole, sure feels like it. We're gonna walk you through every single shot from tee box to putt. Let's see who comes away with this one. I'd love to start winning this hole in the back and reduce this to 1 right off the rip. See what happens. home, we just bogeyed that. And that was really bad for me because I had a 3-footer to tie. So congratulations. We're happy to assist you in how to not play that hole.
I said it off the tee box. I said, I don't think driver is the right play. We went against it and we were both blocked out. We both suffered for it. We both made bogeys.
If my life was the sum total of everything I said instead of what I did, sheesh. Let me tell you, boy. I'm still down too, but feeling a little hitch, feeling a little more positive. Here we go. This might be the worst golf I've played all season. I just cut it to 1, and now I'm definitely gonna lose it again. Go back to freaking 2. Gotta give it to Ben. He's playing pretty good. Let's see what he's got here.
Going into 18. Gallery had a little pressure on us, but pulled it off. Saved the par. He did not. Let's go into 18 because I can't lose.
This guy's up. He gets up and down, and he wins.
We really like to have a putt at it, and I tugged the 9-iron from buck 50 out.
Jim Nance, can you hear him in the background? Hello, friends. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Kid's got to get up and down. Just a little better than mine.
Okay, golf course review time. Can't believe I just freaking lost. How can you miss that putt?
It's the orange pants for sure. Definitely the orange pants.
You'll be seeing those a lot more this fall. Okay. I lost, so I review. All right, here's the thing. It's 38 walking. We just like walking, particularly when it's cold, but it's 64 during the week riding, and I think closer to 70 on the weekend. So got to take that into consideration. Like it for what it is. I like that it's a little hidden spot. Love that it's not on Golf Now. There's just nothing really like overwhelming about it. It's just a nice golf course. I do think that they're a little high. That's why I am going to give this a 7.6. 7.6.
Fair score, I think. The course was in great shape. Some of the best shape we've seen, you know, in the past few rounds. I like the layout of it. Greens were in great shape. They're just coming back from aeration on the back nine, so they're a little bumpy, but they got to do that. I like the setup. I like the conditions. The traps were beautiful. Value is okay. I think that's a little steep. We walked, so it wasn't bad, a little hilly. I'm gonna go 7.8. I'm gonna go 7.8. Solid course, though. I'd come back for sure. I would definitely come back.
For sure, definitely worth checking out. Cedar Knob. You broke your streak. You pick where we go next.
I'm gonna pick, and I'll drop it later in the week.
But we actually have to. We'll probably end up picking live this week too. Who's gonna join us for a future golf review? So stay tuned for that. We'll do that Facebook Live.
Make sure you jump over to Facebook, share the last video, comment three people, tag them all, give yourself a chance.
See you next time, floozies.